Hello.
It's really difficult to apply and have research done when you are straight coming out of your undergrad. So I was looking for something different, something that would not only change my perspective.
It gave us more forms of knowledge, or even various forms of knowledge that I feel like even going back home I'd keep with me, whether on how I approach even my general traditional or Western medicine back in uni.
So I've always believed in that, but I never knew that there was a quite extensive research, data, information. I'm not going to say even things, I'm going to say facts that prove that these things work.
I feel like I've learned so much, and there was never a day where I felt bored or, oh, like I didn't really enjoy today.
There was no doubt about the fact that the way that the doctors were interacting with patients was so incredibly comforting.
In the near future, I also would be a Korean medicine doctor like them, and I got to know the mindset to treat patients as my family.
I'm always like, wait, that was it? That was it for today? Because I'm having so much fun that time passes by so quickly.
I think one main key takeaway from this program was communication. And I think to be a good doctor, you need not only smart brains and well-trained hands, but also big and warm, nice heart. And I think that philosophy really matches with mine. I think that's one of the most important things or principles that I would like to keep in mind.